You've noticed that your dad's been losing weight at the nursing home. Is this abuse? My name is David Terry. I'm a nursing home abuse and neglect lawyer, and in handling these cases for nearly 25 years, I can tell you I've seen countless cases where nursing home residents have lost weight, sometimes a significant amount of weight. And in most of those cases, the nursing home has some kind of excuse to explain it away. Now keep it in mind, abuse and neglect are different things. While it is more complicated than this, essentially, abuse is a willful infliction of injury on a nursing home resident, while neglect is the failure of a facility and its employees to provide the goods and services that are necessary for the resident to avoid physical harm, pain, mental anguish, or emotional distress. So, weight loss could be abuse if there's been a willful decision made by someone not to provide nutrition to the resident. Now, to be fair, this is probably pretty rare, but I've seen cases where nursing home employees just decide that they don't like a particular resident and they're punitive in some respect to them. More likely, unexplained weight loss is neglect. And this would be the case if they just weren't providing the resident with enough food because of insufficient staffing or not taking the time necessary to help the resident eat. Or it may be that the food is just bland and tasteless and the resident just doesn't want to eat it because it tastes gross. Look, I've seen the financial budgets for a ton of these nursing homes, and a lot of them spend only $7 to $10 each day to feed each resident, and that includes snacks. So when you're spending that little, it's a challenge to make each meal tasty and nutritious. But listen, regardless of the why, if you notice that your loved one in a nursing home is experiencing weight loss, you need to take it seriously and get them to a physician. Don't let the facilities convince you that this is just part of the normal aging process. Your instincts are almost always right. And if your loved one has suffered an injury related to this weight loss, then you need to contact a qualified nursing home attorney in your state immediately. I hope this helps.